Be nice. Elvis. Elvis.
He's gone psycho.
Elvis. Honey. Oh, not good.
He's like, I'm gonna get you.
Yeah. He just is not happy. He doesn't like to be shut up. Okay. Elvis, Elvis. Elvis, Elvis. I know. Oh, he's more docile than Sophie. Sophie. Oh, honey.
Oh, he's so scared.
Calm down.
I can't believe he's my brother.
Calm down. Elvis. Elvis.
Just leave him alone, Mom. He'll calm down if you leave him alone. Just come sit over here.
Maybe he thinks.
Poor Tiger.
Mom, just come sit over here.
I'm sitting here. I'm gonna take care of him because he's scared. That's why he's so nervous. Okay, Elvis. It's okay. You can stop photographing him now. That would make him more nervous. Okay. Elvis. 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 Elvis.
He's probably spitting at us.
Elvis. Elvis. Elvis.
I'm getting all this.
Honey, stop. Okay, we'll just leave it. Would you stop that? Stop it.
I'm scared.
Elvis.
Tornado.
Elvis, it's okay.
Really? Don't talk to him or anything. Everybody just be quiet. He'll calm
He
down.
just needs someone to be shut and confined. You're good.
Maybe he has to go potty.
Elvis. He just needs someone.
If he has to go potty, he can go in here.
Yeah, I'm sure he's going to do that.
Tiger, I'm trying to get him. Okay, now stop it.